Welcome to Magenest official channels. This is a tutorial video for our store Locator extension for Magento 2. This video will guide you step by step on how to set up the configuration and provide you with more details on the workflow of the extension. First, we need to configure the extension. On the admin sidebar, tap Magenest map list, then choose Configuration. In General Settings, show Stores in menu to display your store list on the menu. You can enable it in here. Display a list of stores having the products in Product Details page. If you choose Yes, on the product page, it will display a list of stores that the product is available in. In the Map Config section, enter Google Maps API to integrate Google Maps function on your website. Unit System. There are two options to define the ranges units, metric or imperial. Default countries. Choose the base country that your stores are located in. Default zoom. Choose the zoom level when customer open the map. Preferred travel. It's the travel mode that the direction will base in. There are four options: driving, walking, bicycling, transit. Then on default opening hours for all stores. Set the working hours for each particular day of the week. Next, move on to the configuration for stores. Go to Stores. You can add a new store to your change or edit store's information. There are four sections on this part. A store setting, general setting. The first thing to do in this section is to enable the store in the Say So section. Then fill in store name and search description and the necessary information that gives your customer the basic information about your stores, such as products, locations, and so on. For the description, you can add more information to provide customer knowledge about your brand. Upload the store's image. Set the location for your stores by filling in the country name, state or province, city, zip code, address, website, email, phone number. On the map below, find and tick on your store's location that will be defined by longitude and latitude. Then add the icon for your stores if there's any. Please note that the image formats are JPG, GIF, JPEG, PNG. After finishing, click on Save and continue edit, then go to the next section, Add Product. In this tab, you can add the available products in your stores by selecting the products in the grid. Remember that the products added to the store will also be updated to the product settings and vice versa. Then save and continue edit. For opening hours, if you tick on the checkbox, use default hour. The default opening hour will be set as from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. every day. Otherwise, you can set the working hours manually for each day. The format of opening hours is noted above. For special days, you can add the promotion by choosing the date on Date Picker and provide the description. To add stores to product page, on Catalog, choose Products. You can add a new product or edit one. After filling in the necessary information, you can choose the stores that the product is available in by choosing one or more stores under the Stores section. On Storefront, with our extension Store Locator, customer can search for stores, the nearest one, sees information, and get direction with Google Maps. Normal views and street view are available as well. There is also a list of available stores in Product Detail page. Customer can search for stores in two ways, in the search bar on store list or on the map. To find the nearest one, on the section Find the store near you. Fill in the search bar and select the radius on the drop-down list. Then a list of nearby stores will show up for customers to select the one they would like to visit. To see the store detail, click on View Store button. Then they can see the store detail with the location on the right. All the information about the address, working hours, and special days is on the left side. They can see the description image below the map. About direction, on the store list, click on the store that you want to visit. Then click on From Here and to Here button on the drop-down box of the map. On this box, customer can also see the opening hours of the stores. Then enter your arrival and destination and select the travel mode to calculate the traveling time. Note that to use the GPS, the customer must allow the site to track their location. There will be pesky location request pop-up. If customer want to reset store list, there's a reset button right here. See the street view. Click on one store on the store list, then on the drop-down box on the map. Enter the arrival and destination, then click the button Street View. The direction to the store will be shown in the Street View. Moreover, the customer can also see the store list in the product detail page to see where the product is available. And that is the tutorial video for the Store Locator extension for Magento 2. We hope that you now have a better look at how the extension works and how it can benefit your business. We put the links for the customization request and support for the extension in the description down below. Don't hesitate to contact us if you need our assistance. Thanks for watching.